Welcome to this video on Memcached Explained. In this series on distributed systems, we'll explore how Memcached works as a high-performance distributed memory caching system. Memcached is a simple yet powerful key-value cache that helps web applications scale efficiently by storing frequently accessed data in RAM. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Memcached is, how it works, and why it's essential for building fast, scalable web applications. So what exactly is Memcached? Memcached is an in-memory key-value data store that operates as a distributed caching system. It stores data directly in RAM, which makes it incredibly fast compared to accessing data from a database. Unlike databases that persist data permanently, Memcached is volatile, meaning data is lost when the server restarts. This is intentional and by design. The core principle of Memcached is simplicity. It uses a straightforward Memcache protocol, making it easy to integrate into almost any programming language or application. Let's understand how Memcached fits into your application architecture. When your application needs data, it first checks the Memcached cache. If the data is found, it returns immediately. If not found, your application queries the database, retrieves the data, and stores it in Memcached for future requests. This approach dramatically reduces database load because repeated requests for the same data are served from memory instead of hitting the database. This is the fundamental pattern that makes Memcached so valuable in scaling web applications. Memcached supports 4 fundamental operations. First, the set operation stores a key-value pair in the cache. Second, the get operation retrieves a value using its key. Third, the delete operation removes a key-value pair from the cache. Finally, add and replace operations provide conditional control. Add only stores a value if the key doesn't exist, while replace only updates an existing key. These simple operations are all you need to build effective caching strategies in your applications. Memcached offers 6 major benefits. First, it's ultra-fast, delivering data in microseconds from RAM. Second, it's highly scalable, allowing you to distribute the cache across multiple servers to handle growing data volumes. Third, it's cost-effective because reducing database load decreases infrastructure and operational costs. Fourth, it's easy to integrate with simple protocols and client libraries available for every programming language. Fifth, Memcached is proven and reliable, battle-tested in production systems at massive scale. Finally, it's lightweight with minimal dependencies and memory overhead, making it efficient to run. Memcached is widely used across different industries. In e-commerce, it caches product listings, shopping carts, and user sessions to speed up browsing and checkout. On social media platforms, it stores user profiles, feeds, notifications, and comments to handle millions of concurrent users. For session management, Memcached maintains user login information across multiple servers, enabling seamless user experiences. In analytics, it tracks page views, counters, and metrics efficiently. These are just a few examples of how Memcached powers the applications you use every day. You might wonder how Memcached compares to Redis, another popular caching solution. Memcached excels at being a simple key-value store with ultra-fast performance for basic operations, lower memory footprint, and easier horizontal scaling. Redis, on the other hand, offers rich data structures like lists, sets, and sorted sets, provides persistence options to save data to disk, supports pub/sub messaging for real-time communication, and includes more advanced features. For simple caching needs, Memcached is lighter and faster. For complex requirements, Redis is more powerful. Choose based on your specific needs. It's important to understand Memcached limitations. By default, Memcached has no persistence, meaning data is lost when a server restarts. It supports only simple key-value structures, not complex data types. It has no built-in replication, so you must implement redundancy yourself. To use Memcached effectively, follow these best practices. First, use it only for temporary data like sessions and frequently accessed records. Second, always implement fallback logic to query your database if data isn't in the cache. Third, set appropriate time-to-live values to control how long data stays cached. Finally, Monitor your cache hit ratio to ensure your caching strategy is effective. Let's summarize what we've learned. First, Memcached is a distributed in-memory cache that enables high-speed data access for web applications. Second, its simple key-value operations make it straightforward to integrate into any application. Third, Memcached is essential for scaling web applications and reducing the load on your databases. Fourth, when comparing caching solutions, Memcached trades simplicity for fewer advanced features compared to alternatives like Redis. Fifth, design your application to handle cache misses gracefully by always falling back to your database. Understanding and mastering Memcached is a critical skill for building high-performance, scalable distributed systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.